Hi everyone! I hope you're all having a great week. It's hard to believe, but it's already been 5 years since I made my big move to the United States. On July 1st, 2016, my then fiance and I had packed up his car and a U-Haul full of my things, and we started our drive from New Brunswick to Colorado. Even though we don't live in Colorado anymore, I still look back on the time we spent there very fondly. So this week, to commemorate this big road trip to Colorado, I'm painting a funky flower that to me is a bit reminiscent of the Colorado flag. The principal colors I'm using in my flower head are blue, light red, and some gold. And in keeping with the theme of my funky flowers, this flower is not about being perfect, it's about being funky and fun. So I'm really just going with my imagination and I'm keeping it as simple as possible. Before I can continue working on my flower head, I need to give it some time to dry. So in the meantime, I'm going to work on my leaves and stem. When it looks like there's a little bit too much water pooling on an area I've just painted, I like to use a damp brush to soak some of the paint up. Here I'm using a white pen to add some little details to each of the petals. I find that white is a nice color to contrast against that dark blue. Then, using a fine tip black pen, I start to add some details to the middle of my flower. Adding similar details to my leaves can help add unity to the painting. I generally use white ink over dark paint to create more contrast, and I use darker ink over lighter paint to create contrast again. Because I really like how gold shimmers and shines, I typically like to add it to most of my paintings also. So here I'm using a gold sparkle pen to add some details to the center of my flower. And I'll use the same gold pen to add some details to my leaves as well. Since I often work intuitively on most pieces of art that I do, it's not uncommon for me to go back over an element and change it a little bit. Since I discovered relief medium a few months ago, I've been using it a lot and I really love it. It's very easy to apply and I love the effect of mirror leaf on my paintings. It takes about an hour to dry, and once it's dry, you can then start to apply the mirror leaf. Once I'm finished applying the mirror leaf, my painting is ready and done. Thank you for making the time to join me on this journey. I hope you have a wonderful week and happy creating!